Hey guys, this is Amir Malik, and I want to first start off this video by thanking you all for bringing this server and this YouTube channel to where it is now. Because of the number of members I have and all the subscribers and likes and the amount of content I've been able to put out ever since I first started this channel in 2017, YouTube is now allowing me to have memberships on my channel. So as you can see on the screen, I've just started putting this together. It's not finished yet, and I'm on this current step right now where I'm about to make this video to announce the memberships. Basically, what this membership thing is going to be an exclusive session on my YouTube channel where when I go live or when I post certain videos, it'll only be visible to those people who are members. Now, over 2021 and most of later 2020, my videos were only visible to students that were paying a pretty expensive price to be able to join my course and have full access to me for tutoring sessions, guidance throughout the UAssembly journey, and full access to my videos and all my annotated notes. Now, here you can see the step 1, step 2 CK, and then the combo prices are much cheaper monthly prices that pretty much everyone that I've ever worked with can easily afford. This is here to be able to bring students something that isn't going to really cut their pockets or cost them a knee and a kidney or something, and really bring you something that's worth much more than this price over here. I will be available for each and every member one-on-one, as well as through these channel videos to help bring full guidance. Figure out lesson plans for any step prep you're doing. Do practice questions together in my live sessions where you guys can be there as well, talking to me and discussing what you think or how I came to a certain decision on picking an answer choice. Live sessions of doing lectures where I'll be teaching topics in such a way that it sticks to you. In the past, I've talked about all kinds of topics that should not be confusing at all once you've mastered it. With the right mnemonics and right algorithms and right thinking processes, almost everything is something that you can just recall, even if you don't have perfect collection of it in your memory. And I try to teach it in ways where it's simple enough for you to be able to recall it, but also not so complex that you just get yourself confused. The goal is to know everything you need to know to be able to succeed in USMLE. And then after that, you get to know more as you experience more and as you practice more. Now, being a part of these memberships, you're going to be able to have full access to everything that I offer. And on top of that, majority of my live lectures will be done on Discord, where basically you can see there's a lot of people in these rooms already. These are only the people that are online right now. There's about, I would say, I think I have 1,300 people in this server. And all these rooms on the left are the different rooms you can go into to talk about things. For example, on here, people get together to discuss topics. People ask questions, people post questions, people want to get some help on certain topics, and they all work together. It's like a study network basically. And then up here, the VIP rooms, those are the rooms I go live on with video and audio and everything. And students can join in and talk about things, right? So talk to me about whatever it is I'm discussing. If I'm doing questions, if I'm lecturing on a certain topic like congenital adrenal hyperplasias and so on. And these other study rooms are voice rooms where you guys can go ahead and get together with each other and talk about topics, test each other, and so on and so on. So the Discord server has been immensely successful in gathering students, and that's where I'll be doing a lot of the lectures as well. But on YouTube, every time I go live, only the members will be able to see certain videos. And I'm also going to upload a lot of other videos I've put together over the last year that are also only going to be visible to members. And by doing so, I'll be able to bring members everything they need without any issues. So I encourage you guys all to check it out once it's posted. And again, thank you all for bringing this channel to the point where it is today. Because of you guys and because of the successful support that I've been able to provide you guys, we've been able to come really far together. And I hope everyone's UAssembly journey is going well so far. Thank you very much. Reach out to me anytime. My email address is going to be in the description below. And I hope that as this year begins, I can bring you guys more help than I have ever before.